Maintaining a home requires periodic washing of your outdoor space like your sidewalks, driveways, siding, windows, patio, swimming pool and so on. Dirty grills, outdoor garden equipment, and even your car also require regular washing to keep them in good condition. As you'll come to find out, or have already found out, the water pressure from your garden hose is not usually enough to do this. There are many products available to choose best pressure washers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pressure washers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Westinghouse Outdoor Power Equipment Pressure Washer. With up to 3400 psi of water pressure flowing through the nozzle at a flow rate of 2.6 gallons per minute, the Westinghouse WPX 3400 generates a cleaning unit of 8,840. This is more than enough for any homeowner looking for a powerful machine to clean months, or even years of dirt from the driveway, patio, swimming pool and other outdoor equipment. If you're a homeowner looking for a very solid and powerful gas pressure washer to get your cleaning tasks done as easily as possible, this Westinghouse WPX 3400 is more than ideal. With good maintenance, it will definitely serve you for years. When you get this unit, you don't have to apply soap separately. It comes with a 1.6 liters soap tank that allows you to apply soap on the surface you're cleaning. Just attach the soap nozzle to the spray wand, and you're good to go. To switch from spraying soap to clean water, just remove the soap nozzle, and attach any of the other 4 nozzles that come with it, and it will start spraying clean water. Number 2. Simpson Cleaning Pressure Washer. Equipped with a Honda GC190 engine, the Simpson MSH3125S pressure washer boasts power that you'll not find in many other models. It is specially designed for homeowners and commercial users alike who are looking for a tough and powerful machine that can really handle tough stains and dirt. You can use it for both home and commercial projects. The Simpson MSH3125S is a gas-powered pressure washer, which means you need fuel to run it, and it's portable. You can take it anywhere you want, because it's powered by a gas engine, not electricity from your home. With tires like this, you don't have to worry about a rough terrain, or when you have to move it up or down a set of steps. This is very good, because it shows it can withstand heavy-duty use over a long period of time. Number 3. Sunjoe Induction Electric Pressure Washer. Sunjoe introduced another dirt-battering electric pressure washer with the SPX 3500. Unlike many other models which are fitted with universal motors, the Sunjoe comes equipped with a more than capable induction motor in order to achieve a quieter and long-lasting machine. The Sunjoe is capable of pumping 1.48 gallons of water per minute at a rate of 2300 psi of pressure. That is enough cleaning units to wash out tough dirt and stain, and to carry out any medium heavy-duty job around your home. It will definitely be heavier if you have to lift it, but it shows that the unit is made with top-quality components that will allow it to hold up for a long time. Mobility is not a problem with the Sunjoe SPX 3500 electric pressure washer, because it comes equipped with easy glide wheels which allows you to roll it along with you, if you have to. Number 4. Generac 6565 Pressure Washer. With the Generac 6565 pressure washer sitting in your tool shed, you have a capable machine you can use to rid off the dirt and grime off your outdoor space. The Generac 6565 is a professional-grade unit that blasts water at a rate of 4 gallons per minute and at a pressure of 4200 psi to leave whatever you're washing clean and spotless. Needless to say, it comes with 5 quick connect nozzles just like some of the other models in its class. It comes with a 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree and a soap nozzle, each of which varies the fan size of the water proportionately with the pressure, in order to clean different types of materials, or to apply soap as needed. If there's no oil in the engine, it will shut down, and won't be able to restart until the oil is replaced. This is really good to safeguard the engine, and keep it in good working condition through the years. Number 5. WEN Gas Pressure Washer. When talking about power tools, WEN is a very familiar name to many. Whether or not you've used any of their power tools before, I think the WEN PW31 pressure washer will certainly leave you with something to admire. WEN advertises that the PW31 puts dirt under pressure. That, I'd say I concur with. The WEN PW31 comes with 5 quick connect nozzles that you can really use to cause any form of dirt around your home to flee without looking back. It's equipped with a very efficient and powerful axial cam pump which can pump up to 2.5 gallons of water per minute at a pressure of 3100 psi. The spray wand that comes with it is 42 inches in size, and it's very strong and sturdy, which is very necessary for it to withstand the volume of water going through it at high pressures. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.